We're currently pretty positive about this week's review. Must be our magnetic personality. Did we attract your attention? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. It's the OMMO Metal Detector. Well, Ferris, this one is a pretty big deal. Get it? For us? Ferris? Okay. We admit that our jokes may polarize our viewers, but aren't you glad we do them anyways? So, the OMMO Metal Detector, perfect for the beach where you can find watches, jewelry, and diamond rings. But in reality, all you unearth is a handful of coins that may pay for 3/4 of a soda, if you're lucky. But then again, it's all about the journey and not the destination. Speaking of soda, be prepared for the pull tabs. You'll be finding a whole bunch of these, as they have the same conductivity as gold and really do sound similar on the machine. Take the pull tabs as a sign of civilization, and the one big find you're after may just be around the corner. Or whole. The kit itself is fairly straightforward, consisting of the metal detector itself, a set of headphones, a shovel for digging, gloves for your hands, and an additional 9-volt battery, all tucked away in a handy carry bag. The backlit LED screen helps you interpret the various high and low pitch beeps by giving you an indication of whether they're likely to be composed of iron, nickel, zinc, silver, or gold, as well as a rough depth. So, what do we like about the OMMO Metal Detector? First up, it was super easy to assemble, and we were out in the backyard playing around with it within a few minutes of opening the box. The unit itself is fairly lightweight, and it isn't so heavy that our kids weren't able to maneuver around with it. We decided to hide a couple of little metallic bits and pieces in the yard for the kids to practice finding, and were pleasantly surprised at just how accurate and sensitive the OMMO Metal Detector was. The display is fairly intuitive, and calibrating the unit by setting sensitivity and adjusting the volume was very straightforward. The stock is adjustable, so we can shorten it up for the kids or extend it out for when we go treasure hunting, so we don't have to hunch over and get a stiff back. The included shovel is pretty awesome. Despite being a fold-out design, it's actually quite durable. The small compass on the butt helps you keep somewhat orientated when you have your head down staring at the sand at the beach for hours on end. What's the downside? For a basic unit, the OMMO Metal Detector works well enough. The only downside is that we've yet to find anything even remotely valuable and keep digging up garbage. But as they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So we're not going to give up yet. So, what's the verdict? We initially pegged this as something our kids would mostly use, but Matt and I find ourselves chucking the OMMO Metal Detector in the trunk when we go on picnics or any other outdoorsy type activities. Never know what you might find giving the area a quick sweep. We give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars, a perfectly capable unit that will be more than enough for the novice scavenger or kids who want to have a bit of fun. And the OMMO Metal Detector could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. Well, then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.